since I don't have money and I can't buy the one.
The One Piece.
So my cousin downloaded this for me.
I think you should speak a little louder, man.
No.
I mean, what if they don't hear you? What if all they hear is a bear?
Oh yeah, let.
Oh yeah, go all the way to the other side of the island and just shoot down everybody who spawns. Yeah, all the way to that red point over there, the only red point. Shoot them down! You're here, Afan, you're here! They're not even over there, where are you aiming at? Wait, get the tank! Oh god.
I survived.
You could have done it better, honestly. Now get back on the helicopter, man. Get back on the helicopter.
Whoever takes my helicopter, I'm shooting them.
Well, hey, if you wait for them to take your helicopter...
Why you take my... You take my helicopter, I take your soul.
On the helicopter. Wait, what's that sound? Shoot it! Shoot it! You got it! Nice! Wait for the helicopter to spawn at your place, by the way. It's gonna come. Trust me. Unless somebody's already taken it. No. Well, I guess it might have crashed right now. I just heard a crashing sound, so... We could wait. Sure. Wait, no! Oh.
My car
You
now.
could have drove with him.
My car now.
Oh, wait, the helicopter! Go oh, no!
Why?
There's a guy coming! Die! Wait, he's taking the helicopter! No! Get him!
With my helicopter.
Wait, just wait for somebody to come. Wait. Don't get in yet. No, get off.
Oh, yeah.
What I told you would have been actually a lot better, honestly. God. Hey, no, he's gonna shoot the tank.
We're being raided. We're being graved.
This is the spawn that's closest to the reds. So this makes sense to why there's so many here. This is why we take cover and not just run into battle.
Who cares?
Oh no! Oh no! He's dead. Calm down.
Nobody leaves without an afford.
Nobody leaves without a dandy certified plushie.
Get out, Dandy fans. My fans don't love Dandy's world.
Okay, seriously, stop over the story.
No, I think
it does not seem like it's helping because what you're doing is the same thing that... There. Oh.
What is wrong with my own teammates?
They didn't see you. Oh my god.
Oh, get back here. You haven't heard the last of me.
Oh yes, they have. Wait, what are you doing? They did nothing. They did nothing. Yeah, this guy is doing some. Oh god. Dang. You're Hulk, bro.
Who did that? Oh, get back here. I'm gonna get you. And murder you. Oh, hello there. Looks like you. Hello there. Looks like
No
you're.
slow-mo. Don't do slow-mo. See? Look, it's so much better and faster and cleaner.
You ran me over.
He did nothing. He just got here.
You ran me over.
Use a rocket launcher. Not at that guy. Not at that guy. What did you even aim at? It just went up.
Oh god. I think we're losing.
Yeah, because you did nothing.
Or maybe I just crashed a bunch of helicopters.
You have to destroy the tank. That's the main thing. Why'd you take so long? Just equip the rocket launcher immediately. It's 4. Let's shoot the tank. Nice. See, I mean, slow motion doesn't make that big of a difference, man. It does make it boring, that's the only difference. Oh god! At least you won. But you do, doesn't it feel like that you should eliminate all the other reds? Get all the spawn points, I mean.
Yeah, but I'm going for the helicopter. Unless
Somebody already took that helicopter. You can go to the other spawn point. The other spawn point also has a helicopter. Yeah.
this one.
No, that, obviously that one. Because that's the spawn point for the reds. So, that's where we can also get a helicopter. Right here. How'd you miss it the first time? That's
Oh, whoever stole my helicopter is getting a big.
there. Shoot down the ones next to the. Oh my god, I found. Wait. Oh my god.
Damn. Sorry, bro, you just spawned in.
No, that's a friend. That's a friend. He's helping.
Ouch!
Oh, that was an enemy there. Not the helicopter. You can see a blue guy in there. Oh dang, he's genuinely getting him. Yara fawn in that little mud. This is why I suggested you should have used the other rocket launcher. Because that one allows you to attack the normal ground enemies.
Oh,
Wait, hold on a minute. You can lock onto enemies. I thought it was only vehicles. Well, like, go ahead. Aim at there.
I need some ammo after this. I'll put my pistol.
Dude, you can take your time to reload up here. You're safe. Oh, ammo box. Hold on. Ammo box. Here you go. Place it down. Now pick your weapon. Reload. Come on, reload. Why are you not reloading?
This is how much ammo does this thing do?
Oh dang. Oh, you got a friendly tank. This will help. You should go down there and capture the point, or at least try. Oh dang. Oh, a tank and a helicopter. Or two tanks. Hey, what are you doing over here? Oh, what the heck killed him? What the heck killed him? There's another one. Get him. There's another one. Get him. Oh, they're coming. Oh, they're trying to attack. They got away from the battlefield, so they're trying to attack. Oh, dang, that helicopter went down.
Where's this guy even aiming? What are you looking at?
He's still alive. If they're ragdolled and they're still moving, that means they're still alive.
Okay, I need a bit of slow-mo this time.
Stop acting like you're being strategic. It gets louder each time. You didn't reload any weapon, man. Just focus on reloading. Oh yeah, also you might get hit. You know, you might.
Any teammates? Oh, that guy's blind. I'm gonna get him in a bit.
What are these guys aiming at? Oh, they're aiming at you.
God.
Your team won a long time ago.
And yeah, we still have 1 point to capture. Hey, give me the helicopter. And crash.
In some moment.
Fine, I'll take the tank.
You kept taking the turret.
I'm sure I got them both.
Wait, what do you mean them both? You aim for your teammate and?
Yeah, I did. Look, I should start.
Helicopter? That might be a friend's. Oh, and it went down. Okay.
Oh, weapons do damage.
Oh, yeah, two tanks. Oh, get! You got hit by a rocket launcher. No, 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 get back to the point. You need to stay there. Get out, get out, get out, get out, get out. And just fire.
Get out of my way. You disappointed me.
What? Do you think you're cool? Bro thinks he's cool. He's being boring. Oh God.
I've been seeing that.
Dance, a fun dance. Oh no, 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 no. Oh God. They always just switch to that. Watch out, watch out, watch out. Oh,
Well, I almost got him.
Bill Scapple. Somebody already took this helicopter. Dude, try to take the one on the other side. Try to take the one on the other side. Yeah, 2 helicopters, twice the power. Oh wait, one of you is a noob. Yes. It is the AI, not you. I mean, if you just somehow don't crash the helicopter unless you get hit by a rocket launcher, that'd be fine. That'd be dandy as heck.
Hello! After the
I
crash,
got the perfect plan.
after the crash, I don't want. Another helicopter crash, maybe. Okay, so you gotta balance it.
Yeah, you gotta balance it. Could have used that.
Why are there so many crashes? Hey, you there.
Oh God, got in the way. Shoot it, just shoot it, just shoot it. See, I had a good plan.
Hey, you there.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna be Ragdoll. Oh yeah! Oh man, I love pads. They don't have any grass on them. Oh, I'm rubbing my tummy.
Why are they missing?
Oh, trying to get up.
Okay, that makes me so vulnerable tonight.
Oh, I hope I don't get shot in the back.
Because you're the one getting shot in the back.
Oh, that was the head.
You think you're cool.
Because I am.
Oh, because this is... Okay, no, I'm not doing it. Subscribe.
Don't you dare do the like and subscribe notification thing.
Yeah, but my channel would die if I do it.
What do you mean? It's already dead. Emotional damage. The rocket didn't even hit you, by the way.
Emotional damage.
Oh, wait, somebody already... Oh, that was the other helicopter. Hey, who are you over there?
Get out.
You are barely hitting anything.
Help, time to cause some chaos.
Both the helicopters are here. Okay, yeah, you guys might capture the point this time. No, why are you aiming at nothing?
As for non-conscious, man. Is this slow-mo?
No. But you are doing very well without it. And this isn't slow-mo either, you just got damaged really hard. Oh, wait, is that an enemy? No, that isn't an enemy.
I wish I was famous, but I'm not.
Somebody doesn't. No. Go, 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 get in, get in, get in, get in, get in, Yay, he waited for us. Can he move? Is he okay? Is he bugged? I think he's bugged. Wait, hold on. Let me check. Let me do something here. Is it stuck? No, it isn't. It is. It says it's not stuck. You okay? Oh, what? Whoa, 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 whoa. They left without you. Okay, yeah, you can do it. You can do it. Do it. Do it.
Get out!
Oh, there they go falling. Your laugh is annoying.
So are you.
I think that's called cool. You wouldn't understand. We have 1,600 points. Don't worry, Afon, you can crash one more time. Bro, yeah. Karma.
Karma.
Hold on, let me try the helicopters, man. You got it. He's a poopy head. No. I mean, it's not that scary. I can go downstairs.
I'm coming with you, Danny.
Dude, by the way, I don't hear anything that shows that it's a storm. Like, I barely hear anything that shows that it's a storm, alright? I'm hearing no thunder. Okay. Alright, here's the expert helicopter flyer. About to get shot, maybe. Aim for everybody around there. Alright, I got the big kills. Most damage done. Oh god! Then I just shoot. Ah. Oh my god. Yeah, this will. I'm fine. I'm fine. Just gotta ragdoll a little longer. Hold on. I wonder if this works. No, it doesn't work too well. Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? No rocket launchers for you. No shotgun. We're good on the shotguns. I said no rocket launchers.
Let me.
Hold on, man. Just give me this one turn. Ah! Hey, what are you? Yes, I asked him what he... Okay, no, I'll go slow motion for this. Oh, look at him. Look at him fall. Oh, who are you? Who was that? I got killed by a stupid James Bond. Someone's taking the helicopter? Yes. Oh, wait, they're waiting for the helicopter. Shoot one of them at least. One of them. Shoot one. This is just gonna keep happening, isn't it? Okay, now get out of the...
Hey, who's there? Are you here for my helicopter?
Yes. Your helicopters are delicious. Are they gonna take the helicopter too? No, they aren't. They're gonna take a different thing. The sky.
I saw something red. Who's ready?
For death.
No, who's ready for the kid? Chandra, Robert. Oh, Chandra, Robert को क्या करते इधर आ गए?
Obey. He's a sticky poopy head. He's a sticky poopy head.
Dream. Now that the other end.
Okay, could you actually save the rockets when you need them, please? Oh my god! Wait, do it. Crash into a helicopter with a helicopter. Wait, what? How do you do this?
I don't know. I'm just a professional.
Goodness. You're having your cookies. Switch. Nope, that helicopter's already taken. Oh, you going for a tank? Well, you could have taken the tank that was over there,
I barely know how tanks even work.
this is just half an hour of raw Ravenfield gameplay or something. Alphonse, say ah.
I just cannot.
Say ah. Eat the cookie. Driving with one hand. It's very safe, you guys. Can I have them? Can I have some cookies? Ha! Captain Price's plot armor. You can't do. Oh! They just step back. You done chewing?
I killed that beagle.
For the rest of this, I'm gonna be speaking. Mulan is the Disney character with the most kill count. Oh wait, someone is in the tank with you. Yeah, someone's taking control of the turret on your tank. Did you notice, like, the bullets coming from your tank? Someone else is also using the tank. Okay, could you get out of this fence, man?
I don't know, I'm going backwards.
Oh, you're actually stuck. Oh my god.
Got them both.
Take a big boy bite.
What did you press? So what did you press to see if it's stopped?
Although you're inside the vehicle right now, so you can't see it. Oh, you gotta just move forward. You're at least blocking them. That's a good thing. If you guys couldn't tell, apparently there's a storm outside and he's like immensely scared. He literally just went out of his room to call his dad. I mean, he's young, so it makes sense. I mean, there's no raining outside, I think. Hold on. Yeah, it's not raining, it's just thunder. We just keep hearing the rumbling, you know, that's it. He just gets scared of that. I don't know why he gets superstitious. He even starts talking about tornadoes. Wait, these are Shams. Where's Shams? Where's Shams if these are Shams? Take a big bite. Take it all. Seriously, eat it. I'm sure your team's got this. Okay, dude, genuinely, hold on, let me do this really quick, let me check. It is just seemingly stuck. You know what, let this guy control the tank, let's see how well he does. You can take this, oh, is he out now? No? What the heck, you died and, wait, what? Wait, let's just see what happens, wait, oh. Wait, you're just, you glitched out the game.
Oh God, I'm the glitchiest person.
Oh my goodness, wait, Alphon, you actually found a pretty good glitch. Stay in the car. No, stay in the car! Aw. You should have stayed in the car. Wait for the guy to get in. Yeah, he's probably in now. Let's go. Don't crash. This time you can actually do something pretty good.
Let's crash in there.
Oh, your leg! What the heck happened to your leg?
Such a life. Whoa!
Okay, take a bite. Oh no, your keyboard has a cookie. Oh god. Why weren't you eating cookies like that before, huh? He missile. He just gave up. He just gave up.
I'll crash some more.
Crash directly into the flag. Yeah, there's the flag. Crash into it. Shoot your rockets and crash. Yeah. He just went sit flying or something. Hello, helicopter. Dude, that glitch you did was actually amazing. Let's abuse it.
No, they're coming. Hey, nobody leaves without fun.
They can't even ban you or kick you out for it because this is a simulation game. There's nothing bad that's gonna happen to you for abusing these types of glitches.
So it's just a fun game?
You get to do anything that you want. It's simulation.
Oh, I'm gonna lock on some helicopter.
Oh, hey, you can lock onto that as well. Do it, do it, do it. Shoot, shoot, shoot. It went up, and now it's gonna go all the way down to the car. Oh. No, that's your tank. Don't do it. Don't do it. I said do it. Don't do it.
You should do it.
No, I said don't do it. Oh, hey, oh.
Oh, I'm just gonna ram you.
Oh, wait, are you gonna spawn in the car next to him? Are you gonna spawn next to him?
Let's see.
Wait, hold on. That guy's taking the seat. No. No, he took the seat. Okay, wait, I understood how you did the glitch. You got in the car as soon as you died. You can't have just been inside the car while you were dying. So it's basically like a timing and precision thing. There. Just keep shooting the flag, that's it. Not over there, there's nobody over there. You missed that whole line. Oh dang, he had a grenade. Come on.
Hello there.
The beep as well.
What? What is wrong with my teammates? What is wrong with AI?
They're alive now, that's it. Oh. Oh. You should have rammed that red guy.
Actually, I'm gonna go in and ram.
Huh?
I don't love
You don't?
fingers. I hate mean fingers now.
They're so good. Probably hate ice cream too. Oh god.
Nobody's ramming.
They rammed upon.
Oh, they're trying to capture the flag.
Get him! He's alive! Remember, if they're moving while they're ragdoll, then that means they're alive. Also, if you don't see any blood.
Any paint I would suggest it?
Sure.
I'm gonna...
Oh, my tummy. Welcome!
Whoever rammed me is gonna pay for that.
He didn't even ram you.
Okay, everyone's gonna get beat up by me. Everyone keeps ramming me. Like I'm the ram gun.
Ram girl? Hold on, let's check here. That's the last point. Wait, they have a vehicle spot. Oh, that's kind of bad. Now that they have a vehicle spot, they'll have a helicopter and a tank. Not in the air in their spawn point. Nice!
Okay, never mind. No one's letting me do the job.
Oh! Ooh. Slides are terrible.
Oh, I found my dead body.
Do you eat this?
I don't want to eat right now.
Okay, we'll save it for you.
I hope I can ram someone with this.
Wait, why don't you get to beef with it though? Oh. I think it can ram people with this, but I don't think it one-shots. But it will deal a good amount of damage.
Oh boy, I'm coming to ram in some people.
A fun, it's already down. One more crash and it's gonna explode. Wait, no.
Hello there.
Okay, wait, no, take that one and just ram. Take that one and ram in. You're on the back seat of fun. Oh, hell yeah. What the heck? Why are you laughing like that? He just wants to come into the car.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, God. The friendship just started.
This is what the matter. This is.
Okay, wait, you got a turret guy as well. You got a turret. Afan, stop wasting the bullet. Just capture that place. Oh, there's a tank.
Sorry that I can't make it. I'm gonna spawn near.
And now keep your thing out. Keep your thing out. Did they just do that? Keep the rocket launcher out. He's gonna come up the road. The tank. That's not a tank. Wait, did the tank already just get destroyed?
Why am I so good at the game? Oh God!
Oh, God.
Hey, get back here!
Never mind.
Why now?
He literally gave it to you, man.
Serve him right.
Oh, keep your thing out. Keep the javelin out. Shoot it. Nice.
The river feels so cool.
It also means you die.
Dude, why is capturing the all the points? So I'm sure you should also start trying to some jokes. I mean, the storm's getting near.
Dig-a-dog.
I mean, the storm's getting near.
Vanakkanavane, chicken pakode and stuff. You know what? I think we should stop the recording from here. 40 minutes gets way too long, so we'll see you guys in the next one.
Hold on.
Yeah, we'll just see you like. Never. Upon. Oh no. Upon.